Hi, this is Troy Broussard, and in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how you can create a custom report and add it right to the dashboard as a custom widget. So first of all, this is a sandbox application of mine, has hardly any content or users or tags or anything. So the examples are going to be very simplistic, but it doesn't matter because the steps you take are all the same. So if we go into contacts and we do a quick search, and let's just start over and do a search. And we want to look at any kind of thing, tag here. So I'm just going to see a tag that I know this item has. So here's a quick search. And I've got a set of results back. Now, I could have used anything I want in these columns. I did a simple single tag, right? But you could do anything you want there in terms of combinations of their names or tags or having multiple tags. Don't forget you can do with any or all or doesn't have any or all, and then you can combine with a secondary block here. So there's all kinds of information here. The other thing that's very common that people miss are these miscellaneous fields. And these miscellaneous fields are great for tracking like new leads or new contacts or things like that, because you can go off these date created. So you can look at, leads that have come in the last 7 days, for example. Okay, so don't overlook these other tabs of information that you can search for. And so once you set up your criteria and perform a search, then you have this result set list of clients that come back. At this point, all you have to do is save this. Now, when you save this search, let me make this a little bigger so you can see. There's only one user in this account, but if there were multiple users, you could select them and just hold down and click on them and add multiple people, or select everyone, and this report will be available to the users that you select here. So if I wanted to say everyone, I could do that, and I could give it a name. So this could be video tutorial users. Okay, so we'll just save it like that, just as a quick example. Now, what you'll notice immediately is that it's saved up here, and now you have these saved searches. So now if I start over and I'm playing around or I'm doing a whole bunch of criteria, and then I just want to go back to that search, I can go right back here and click on video tutorial users, and boom, there it is. It's also important to note that when you have these saved searches, if you want to send out an email blast, you can also select a saved search as the input for that blast. So this is really good when you're doing a broadcast email and you want to send it to your marketing list, for example. You could have a saved search that has all of your marketing list people on that, and you could just go from your email blast and say send to marketing list. Okay, quick little examples here. So now once we have a saved search, then we want to go back and modify the dashboard. So we come in here and go to the dashboard, which for some reason isn't showing up there, but I'm just going to backspace in because on this account, it's a sandbox account, so it doesn't necessarily show all the exact same menus here. But here's the dashboard, and I can create a nice little widget like this that has that custom report on it. So to do so, we click on Add Widgets, and what we do is scroll down here to the Custom Statistics widget, and we say Add to Dashboard. And now you see it right here. Now keep in mind, you can drag this around, so I can drag it over here if I want. I can rearrange it. I can drag it in between these two. It's just a simple drag and drop. I'll just leave it here, but I wanted to show you that. You can also rename the title of it here by clicking rename, and we can add reports. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a contact report, and we're going to select that video tutorial users. If I wanted to call it something else, like Troy's sample or Troy's example, I can do that. So I can change the name here and then click save. Now, at this point, you'll see that if I wanted to rename this, I could. Example statistics, okay? And that'll rename this block. If I wanted to add another stat, I could. So I could do that and come in here and again, add another search if I wanted. These are some other searches that are in there, okay? And then once this is here, it'll be on your dashboard, and these statistics will be easily available to you. You'll also be able to access these people very easily, because now I can just click on this number here, and it'll immediately go run that search and find them. Okay, that's it. You now know how to create custom searches and save them as dashboard widgets. I hope you enjoyed the video.